Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use speech correction in Logic Pro. So these we have two methods. So let's start with the first one. It will act like auto-tune. So tap the track header of your vocal or instrumental track, doesn't matter. Then tap the inspector button, which is at the bottom left corner, the middle icon. Sorry, not here, but this one at the bottom middle. Um, and then click on Audio FX, this plus icon next to it here, and select pitch from the left sidebar. So let's find pitch like here, and then we have pitch correction like so. Now inside this plugged in window, if we click on it, now you can see that we can edit bunch of things. So we can scale and root. So set this to match the key of your song. And then we have also the responses. As you can see here, this control how fast the tuner grabs the note. So you can set it from 0 to 10 milliseconds for a fast robotic T-Pain effect, or you can set it to between 40 and 80 milliseconds for natural transparent vocal correction. Okay, so this is method number one. Now the method number two is if you want to manually adjust specific notes without making the whole track sound tuned, you can use flex pitch. So how we will do that is we will click here, double tap to your audio region, and then select edit to open the audio edit, show in editor. And then now what you're going to do, and now what you can do is just simply select where you want this. So we can now adjust like so. As you can see, you need to used to it a little bit, but yeah, when you are used to it, you can really fine tune this as you wish. And yeah, this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.